Hi everyone, it's Mair from Trade, and thank you for joining my live trading session where you're about to see me trade live right now as the market opens. S&P is down 0.5%. Plenty of stocks are down today. Google is down 5%. AMD is down 4%. Should be an interesting day. Let me welcome my trading room members and start the trading session right now. Traders, should be an interesting day. The S&P is down 0.5%. Meta is down 2.6%. Google is down, 5.6%. AMD down 4%. Tesla down 2.5%. Should be an interesting day. I'm watching Meta and I will take it for short if it moves under 388.70. It's a bit early right now. Traders, I'm about to short AMD. I'm shorting AMD now. I'm short AMD. I didn't have time to post it, sorry. About to short Google under 143. Short Google. Shorted AMD. It all happened in a 1 minute candle. As you can see, it moved up, failed, and came down. 392. Guys, I'm gonna short Meta here right here. I'm short under 392. Wow, what a nice move in AMD. I'm getting ready for a partial there. Almost touching the 2 points mark. Any sign of a pullback? Like if it moves over 163, I'll take a partial. Okay, AMD, we continue. Google is back to the lows too. Nice. Took a partial in AMD. Getting ready for a partial in Google. Nice. Google just touched the new low. I am getting ready for a partial. I want to get a little bit more than that, closer to 142. I could use this spike up in AMD to add some more size. Smaller size, of course. About to add some more in AMD. Adding now. Always adding on a pullback is risky. Google, there we go, getting close. Yes, at my target price now. Let's see if it can break down 142. If not, I will need to take a partial. Taking a partial right now. Took a partial in Google. Markets helping. Nasdaq gave up. Only open trade I've got is Meta without a partial. It's looking okay. I also added some small size to AMD short on the pullback. Getting ready for a partial in Meta. Reached my target and a bit more now. Took my partial right now in Meta. Okay, traders, just 13 minutes into the trading session, and as you can see, the market started with a huge gap down. And when we normally have such a big gap down, it is very, very likely that it's going to be a gap and go. You can see that on the S&P, you can see that in the Nasdaq. Nasdaq tried to move higher, failed, came down under the lows. Currently, the Nasdaq is down 1.2%, and therefore stocks which are relatively weak, like Meta, it's down 2.5%. You can see they're trying to move higher into the direction of closing the gap. They're failing, and then they're coming down. And that's the point where you want to short them, at the point of the failure. Same happened with Google. You see, first candle is red, then the pullback candle, then it's coming down. That's the point where I shorted it. Same idea with AMD. I've got a little bit added quantity in AMD, which is not doing that great right now, but the market's coming down, and I think AMD is actually going to look better in a few short minutes. Anyway, I'm up. Just over $6,000, a little bit less with the open quantity in AMD, but it's a great start for me. Just 13 minutes into the trading session. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in my next videos.